more featurey thing is uh, this is a pivot. Oh, it's too zoomed in. Uh, but that's how I'll make more space. The so I've got just two measures, but the measures are pretty different, right? And if I want to, if I've got it broken down by country and gender, and if I want to compare these, I'm kind of like looking past the count. So we've had this ask to have a toggle where we move the same measures together under the pivot. So now I've got all the counts over here with the pivot, and I've got all the sums over here. Uh, that's pretty much it. You download it, same deal.
That's awesome. We might want, or at least like the Excel pivot table paradigm or like the Tableau paradigm is kind of measure name as a effectively it's sort of like the measure name when we transpose to we like sort of being able to pull like measure name would be implicitly at the bottom of the pivots here, and we could potentially pull it to be a different thing. Not
Yeah, I'm smiling because that I also got Ariel also said that on the PR, and I was kind of like, ooh, that's harder. So yeah, maybe. But there's a transition from this to that, which is right. Like if we decide to do that later, if you've toggled this, then measure name is up here, and if you
Yeah,
haven't, the measure name is down
yeah,
below. So I think I'm gonna land this as is because it's
that's
just
fine. That's fine.
it's just like another, it's an annoying thing to build in that measure name concept, but
Yeah,
it totally makes it. And then also the implementation, it's annoying to nest it
yeah.
arbitrarily, whereas right now it's like do it in the outer loop, do it in the inner loop.
I
But
think that works. Makes sense to me.
yes, when two independent pieces of that, it's like, yeah, we probably should do it that way eventually.